Today we'll be looking at testing of heating elements. You can remember that in my previous videos I've been able to talk about repair and diagnosis of fault in various equipment like sterilizing machine, autoclave, water baths, and the rest of them. And all of them make use of heating elements. This particular type of element you can see here. So we are going to look at procedure of doing the testing in order for the equipment to work very well. What do we mean by working very well? Even if the equipment is heating, that does not mean that it's working very well. You remember I talked about electric shock, getting the user electrocuted, so we wouldn't want such. So in this particular video I will show you how to do the testing. So I have two of them here, two elements here. So what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to show you how to test this very one. It has two terminals here. So this is the multimeter for testing. So I'm going to test right now to show you the reading. So I will be expecting to get reading here. If I put the two probe here. So from the reading now, what I'm getting is about 15 ohms. So it's showing me that there is resistance here in this particular two terminals of this very element. Then I will test for earth leakage at the body. I am not okay, let me test for earth leakage. I am only touching one of the terminals of the element and the body of this element. It doesn't supposed to read. There is no reading, so I will have to test the second one as well to see if there is any reading. So from the reading of this very particular element, you can see that it's very okay. This very multimeter is set at ohm continuity to get the reading. Okay, the second element here I will show you here is another element. This one is faulty from my previous confirmation. So I will just want to show you how to find out if this very element. Okay, from the reading here, let me read the two terminals. It's still reading, but you can see that it's giving me 1.6 ohms. This is just continuity from my observation. So now I will have to test to the body. You can see it's reading. This may work if you connect or power these two very terminal, but what is going to happen is that eventually if you get in contact with the body of the equipment, this is going to shock you or electrocute you. So you don't want to use this type of element in your system, even if it's heating. There is the essence of doing this particular testing. Look at this, and you test the body. This is shocking. Test the second terminal. So from this very testing here, you can now know how to test or differentiate between the good element and the bad one. So in my next video, maybe I will go further to open it up to show you the ring inside. That's the heating coil inside. But here you have been able to understand how to test this very element. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification bell for videos like this. I will be giving you more of this video. Thank you for watching. That will be all for today. Thank you.